guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a summer feminine hygiene routine video. I'm going to be telling you guys like my tips and tricks, what I use, what I don't use, what I stopped using, you know, just like my little tricks, I guess. Like if you want to see my products, I'm actually going to show you guys my perfumes, like my favorite summer scents. So if you want to see any of that, or if you're interested, stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so the first thing that I literally cannot live without is this. Like, oh, it's kind of overexposed. I cannot not use this Dr. Bronner soap. Like, I actually started using it on my face to clear up, like, you know, my skin, because I just needed something natural. And then I started using this on my body, like, especially like, you know what I'm saying? It really works. And you know why I like it? Because it's natural and it has like a peppermint like scent to it, and it leaves you just feeling very like refreshed. I can't really use Summer's Eve and Dove because I think that it's too strong for me. Like, I don't know, it kind of like throws my balance off. So I started using this instead of that. I know some people still use Summer's Eve and what else do they use? Vagisil. Like, I think everybody could use different stuff. I personally can't use that because I just don't think it works for me, but this is the only thing that I found. And this and Honey Pot. I don't have any more of my Honey Pot left, but Honey Pot is also natural, but it's just a foam. So I just feel like it doesn't really like, I like this like a sudsy feeling, and this kind of like gives that. But I also use the bar. So the bar to me gives a better lather. This is a little bit more like liquidy. Like, it doesn't really it still lathers, but it's not thick. I like my body wash to be a little bit thicker, so this is like not for that. But this, you need to get this. Like, if you don't have it, you need to really get it. Like, just try it. Once you try it, like, you will not want to use any other soap. Like, it's really good. With my like facial scrub cleanser, I use this, then I tone, I moisturize, and I do all that other stuff. Which is not really like, I'm not doing a skincare video right now, so I'm not going to tell you about all the products, but like, this is a major product that I use for my skin because I feel like it definitely like, it does dry you out. I will say that, like, you have to make sure you put the moisture back into your skin. But for me, like, especially down there, especially like, you know, in that area, like, I like to feel like squeaky, you know, like, you know, I like to feel like I'm really like doing it. I'm really like getting it super clean. So this is the one, I'm telling you. Okay guys, sorry, I had to find some other products that I use. But okay, so in the shower, I typically like to wash with body wash. Like, I'll wash my body with anything, like anything that smells good. So this is my favorite scent, actually. This is the Gingham scent from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. It smells really good, and it doesn't smell cheap. Like, you know how Bath and Body Works scents, like, some of them smell like cheap, like they're not like real perfumey. This has such a like, almost like a rich kind of like, I don't know, like, I just love the smell of it. It smells so good. This is my favorite one. So like, in terms of your body, I don't know like who's the age range watching this. I'm pretty sure it's people who are my age range, but if you're younger, you cannot use this on your, like, down there. You can't use this. I don't know, like, if people don't know that by now. I'm pretty sure everybody knows that, but you cannot use like body wash to wash your vagina. Like, it doesn't, it's just not gonna work. And it's in the summertime, girl, you're gonna be so upset. Like, you're gonna walk outside and be like, whew, like, do not use body wash. Like, if you're gonna use a soap, make sure you have two soaps, like one body wash and one for just, you know, your like vaginal area, because the chemicals in this are not meant to go in a sensitive area. So if you are gonna use Dove sensitive soap, I mean, if you are gonna use a soap down there, like a body wash, Dove sensitive soap does work down there, because I've ran out of my other soap and sometimes I'll use that one. But I don't recommend using any body wash, like any body wash down there, because it just doesn't, it just throws you off. Other things that throw you off are like your diet, not drinking enough water, a lot of soda, a lot of alcohol, a lot of like things that you're not supposed to drink, like not drinking enough what is that called? Anyways, whatever you're lacking, you have to pick it up with a vitamin, right? So like I take these now, these multivitamins by Vitafusion, because sometimes I don't always eat vegetables as much as I probably could, so I try to like supplement that with this. You can also take like cranberry pills, because that's the word I was looking for, probiotic pills. You can take those if you want to stay on balance as well. I don't really take those because I just don't have that issue, because I eat pretty well-rounded, like for the most part. Like I eat, you know, some vegetables, some, you know, I try to stay away from red meat. Like my family, we eat red meat, but it's rare. Most of the time we eat like turkey, we eat turkey meat instead of beef. We eat like pork on rare occasions. Like we mostly eat chicken, fish, and seafood. We don't eat a lot of red meat because red meat also can mess up your digestion, and it just affects you differently. So stay away from a lot of like eating steak every day, drinking wine every single day, drinking alcohol every single day, like eating bad food. That's gonna throw off everything. It doesn't really matter about the soap at that moment, because it's like you're not taking care of the inside. You're just doing like whatever. Not saying you can't eat like outside food, but I'm just saying like be conscious of that. Like if it's, especially if you know you have that issue down there. Not to get too personal, but like another thing that will throw you off is your partner. Like you have to figure that situation out. Like either you're gonna, you know, stick to one partner, or, you know, if you're gonna change partners, you have to make sure you're protecting yourself or whatever, because your partner could be dirty and then it's a wrap. Like you'll be in the clinic every week. Like it's not a game. You have to be on top of your feminine hygiene. And a lot of these guys, I'm telling y'all, they're dirty. The nails is dirty, the body is dirty, the underarms are not washed, you know, like they just don't care. You know, guys, they use the same soap for everything, so they don't care. Like they're not thinking like, oh yeah, I need to, you know, some, I'm not saying all of them, but I'm just saying like you have to be careful, because whatever is like, you know, inside of you is gonna mess up your system. So I'm just saying that's another tip to keep your hygiene, you know, top of the top. Minimize your partner count. It really, like, minimize your partner count. And if you are gonna have that many partners, make sure that you're like staying protected, and make sure you wash yourself after every, you know, exchange. I don't want to get like too in your business, but you know what I'm saying. Like make sure you get it together, because you don't want to be in the clinic looking crazy, smelling crazy. It's not fun. It's not good. So just keep that in mind. Okay, enough about that. So for underwear, I picked up this is like a typical pair of underwear that I would wear. Like this is like cotton from Pink. Honestly, their quality of underwear changed. Like it used to be way better. Now it's a little bit like, but this is the part right here. This part needs to really be cotton. And really the reasoning why is because if you wear too many silk tight thongs, like all those underwear, like it's not gonna give you space to like breathe and be comfortable. So you need to definitely like wear mostly cotton underwear, especially in the summertime. If it gets way too hot and I'm wearing a dress and like my thighs are rubbing together or something, I will wear like a panty liner and change it like a couple times a day, just to keep myself like, you know, feeling like fresh, whatever. That's not necessary like in the winter because it's not, you know, hot, but if it's hot, I'll wear a panty liner sometimes. I just don't like thongs and that type of underwear because I just feel like it doesn't make me feel comfortable. It actually makes me feel uncomfortable. I prefer cotton underwear, so that's another tip to keep in mind, because do you really want to be in the summertime walking around with silk underwear making you hot? Like, you don't want that. No, like, and even all year round, like cotton is much better for you. Like I would stick with cotton. So in terms of deodorant, I thought I would show you guys that I use men's deodorant. This is Degree Extreme Blast. It doesnn't smell like Axe. Like it has like actually a pretty pleasant smell to it. I actually stopped using Secret because I found out that Secret just doesn't really do it for me. Like it doesn't stay like on all day. This stays the same smell all day. Even if it's hot, even if it's 90 degrees, this is like really, really good. So I love this deodorant. This is the Degree, like I said, Extreme Blast 48-hour antiperspirant. And when it comes to waxing, when it comes to like shaving, I just use a regular razor. I don't get waxes. I know I'm like the last person to not get waxes, but what I'll do is I'll just like shave if I need to. I don't grow hair like, you know, I don't have the issue of growing like a lot of hair like in any area, so like I can always pretty much just shave and be good. Of course my hair grows back, duh, but like I just shave with regular shaving cream, regular razor. One thing to keep in mind though is that you should definitely exfoliate your skin before and after shaving, just to like prevent bumps and marks and like stuff down there. You know, if you want to keep it smooth, you can follow up with the oil after you I use this Nature in a Jar oil to moisturize my whole body, but especially after I shave, I just use this to moisturize myself, because I feel like it helps me seal in that moisture so I'm not like dry, you know what I'm saying? But you know, you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to use baby oil, that's fine also, but like I just like that one because it gives me that like moisturized, not oily feeling. So remember when I told you guys that like Bath and Body Works smells cheap? So it's not that it's like you can't wear it, but it's just not gonna last you all day. Like, and even in the summertime, even your favorite scents might not even last you, because it's just like, it's hot. So, you know, it's not gonna, you know, but if I do wanna wear a body spray, my favorites are Happy Vibes from Bath and Body Works, and also the matching one, Gangnam. These are like my top two Bath and Body Works scents, just because I like the way that they smell. It's like a perfect summer scent. Both of them are perfect for the summertime. For me, Gangnam is like a universal scent because it smells good all year round, in the winter, whenever. But like I said, it doesn't last me all day, you know what I mean? I have to reapply at least like maybe once to twice a day, but other than that, I like that one. But in terms of like luxury perfumes, most of my luxury perfumes are gifts, so I'm not expecting you guys to like get all of them. But if you are gonna get one, I would definitely get this Burberry one. What's the name of it? I'm not really sure about what's the exact name of the perfume, but it's Burberry. This smells really, really good, and it has a really nice, like, gentle, feminine scent to it. It almost smells like, it's almost like a little bit floral. I love the way that it smells, and I feel like it's the perfect scent. You can wear this in the winter, you can wear this whenever. But if you're gonna get any scent, this is a good one to start with, because it's like a universal scent. My body chemistry doesn't really like vanilla, and it doesn't really like overly strong scents. It likes more like cleaner, kind of like floral scents. So this one definitely fits my chemistry. This is another one that fits my chemistry. This is called K. Ali Citrus. I don't even know I've never even heard of this brand, but when I got it and I smelled it, I was like, wow, it smells really good. It almost has like a, hold on a second. It almost has like it smells like a little bit citrusy, but it smells like, I'm trying to explain it to you. It's like an orangey kind of like scent, but it smells really good. This is actually another good one for the summertime. And my all-time favorite, like, this is my favorite. The Burberry smells good, but I will have to actually buy this again. Like, I will definitely buy this again. And this is called Azzaro. Like, it's I don't even know, I've never heard of it. I got it about a year ago, but it smells so good. People compliment me on this perfume all the time. If you're gonna get a perfume, if not the Burberry, this one. Like, I could wear this every single day. That's why you see like it's almost empty. It's like the perfect feminine scent. It's so light. It's not like overbearing on your skin, and it smells amazing. So highly would recommend the Azzaro perfume. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I use. Like, I like to keep my products to a minimum in the summertime because it's already hot. You don't want to be piling on product after product, especially if you're planning on doing your makeup. But yeah, I keep my feminine hygiene routine pretty simple. Like I said, it's all about your diet. Like, you know, you know, what's going on with your body on the inside as well as the outside. But you know, it doesn't hurt to like go the extra mile to smell good, but you also have to worry about like, you know, what's in the soap that you're using and stuff like that. But that's all I use. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys the next time.
Yeah.